Here we come to the elevators at the Transamerica building in downtown Tucson, Arizona. These were something original before, but these were modernized by KONE. You can see where a button would be, but let's take it down. This is Innovation Universal. And the elevator just woke up. It's have power save mode, I think.
Yep.
Here we are in lobby.
Lower level.
Yep. A little bit of classic leveling. Let's go up to 11. These elevators are power save mode.
A lot of KONEs do.
Yeah, a lot of them do.
Let's go 350.
Yep. And the certificates on this side. We are on 11. These go, it doesn't say on the certificate. I'm not sure what the... Let's go down
Either
to
350 or 500.
Let's go on to lobby level, and then we'll get our cab view. So this is, the capacity is 2,500 pounds. KONE with Innovation Universal. Red dot matrix KONE display, Series 220.
Indicator?
Indicator Series 220. Here we're gonna go up to 1. And the door close button works. I wonder if this thing will go into power save mode if we stay in it.
No, I think it might, but like I think then that light turns. I think that light turns on. Right now, I think that light turns on power save.
So there it goes. And that's it.